चुका है, उसका प्रारंभ हो चुका है। PS11 की सफलता के बाद ये कुछ ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण कदम हैं जिन्हें हम बड़ी सावधानी से अपेक्षित करते हैं।
All the experts and scientists are watching the beautiful performance so far. First stage is very critical because it is going through the atmosphere, and the atmosphere loads are very, very important in managing the launch vehicle's progress into space, and that has been achieved. And now we are at an altitude of 114 kilometers. Next I should see the heat shield separation. Yes, heat shield has been separated correctly at the right altitude at 201 seconds after liftoff, and everything is fine so far. Now the moon orbiter satellite you have seen, heat shield has covered it, the heat shield has been separated. The whole satellite is now freely, openly exposed to space.
जी हाँ, इसमें उसमें सुरक्षा कवच जो है वो उपग्रह से अलग हो चुका है और बाकायदा जो जो मून ऑर्बिटर मिशन था, वो मून ऑर्बिटर मिशन सीधे सीधे वायुमंडल जो बहुत ही थिन होता है उसके संपर्क में आ जाता है और एरोडायनामिक हीटिंग उसकी बड़ी सावधानी पूर्वक गणना की जाती है। इस समय हम लगभग 245 सेकंड का समय व्यतीत करते हुए इस समय हमने 129 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई प्राप्त कर ली है और जो गति है वो करीब करीब 4.6 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की हो चुकी है। हम आपको बताते चलें कि इस समय सारी जो गतिविधियां बड़े सुचारू रूप से चल रही हैं और हम बहुत ही क्लोज हैं तृतीय चरण के।
Third stage ignited. The third stage has been ignited at 264 seconds at an altitude of almost 130 kilometers as planned. Everything as a dot you can see on the plot board, the velocity altitudes being plotted, and you can see the blink that is coming. Blink is the progress of the vehicle as it is going. The line that is there is already there. And how are we getting all this data online? The vehicle tracking stations are there and getting data from this, and we are projecting on the computer how the vehicle is progressing. The tracking stations at Shah, Port Blair, Brunei, Biak, and 2 shipborne terminals on board shipping corporations of India's 2 vessels, Nalanda and Yamuna, are positioned at South Pacific Ocean. All these systems are collecting the data and telling us the progress of the vehicle today, which is going very nicely. All are already operational, and tracking and visibility from the stations provides the coverage of the launch vehicle and trajectory until the satellite separation and beyond. The short tracking station is covered up to 369 seconds, and then Port Blair will track from 220 seconds to almost 600 seconds. Then Brunei station will get coverage from 570 seconds to 1000 seconds, and then Barak tracking station visibility from 900 seconds to almost 1400 seconds. This continuous tracking is there. Here and there is a big long coast, there can be little gaps, therefore we have put 2 ships, Nalanda, Yamuna, to provide us with the coverage of all these things. With the help of all this data that we are getting, the vehicle's progress is there, and the vehicle is progressing very well. PS4, PS3 is very nicely performing, and then it is going very nicely on dot from the predicted time.
जी हाँ, PSLV C25 अपनी अपेक्षा के अनुरूप खरा उतरता हुआ इस समय करीब 350 सेकंड यात्रा पे आगे बढ़ता हुआ इस समय 7.3 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की जो गति है उसे प्राप्त की जा चुकी है। जैसा कि आदित्य जी बता रहे थे कि हमारे साथ इस समय अनेक केंद्र एक साथ भाग ले रहे हैं ताकि वहां से